Good morning. I'm Dr. Aaron Bird. I'm an assistant professor at Oakland University in Rochester, Michigan. And this morning I'm testing out this new universal mount system for iPads and smartphone devices for collecting video with those devices. So what it consists of is a large mount where lenses can be attached, as well as a boom microphone and a light. The product in its universal form is available from hdhat.com and has really great application for blogging. I'm going to see if I can use it for online classes to help collect video for those. So we'll see how it goes. So this is the universal mount from hdhat.com, and you can see the iPad holder is the large black area. It is connected to tripod right there, and so it will allow attachment of a boom mic, like you can see there on the side, and a light on top. Different sizes of lights, different sizes of boom mics can be added. The interesting things, the really cool things that hdhat.com does with this is they add lenses of different kinds. They can add a macro lenses or wide angle lenses. They're actually looking at 3D lenses as well, which is really exciting. We'll be interested to hear how that goes. And then on the back here, you can see the iPad is mounted in there. Now, the other really cool thing that hdhat.com does with this universal mount is they build a holder for a smart device. And this actually, it looks pretty simple, but it's actually a pretty complicated and involved design. And so what they can do is they can customize a holder for almost any smart device. So rather than just having an iPad back there, they can make it so you can put in your Android or your iPhone 4 or iPhone 5 or even a 3GS. They can do pretty much anything. They're actually looking into the Nokia, the new Nokia phone as well. And so what that does is that makes this device truly a universal video collection device. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so I've taken the universal mount off of the tripod and disconnected the light and the boom mic. And what I'm going to do now is pop out the iPad and put in this iPhone 5 and show you just how easy it is to do this. And so the iPad just comes right out. And there is a change that has to be made. Notice that there's a gray area right here. What this allows the lens to do is slide back and forth. When it's down in this position, it can be mounted for a smart device, iPhone. Up in this position, it's for a tablet or iPad. Okay, so I've taken off the first lens right there, and I'm going to take out this part now and then flip this around so that the lens is down here. It is pretty quick and easy, but I need two hands to do it. So I'll come back in a moment when I've done that. Okay, so here we are flipped around, and now it's just a matter of putting this lens back on right there. And so now you can see that the lens has been moved. So I can turn this over, and you can see that there's nothing back there that would hold a smartphone, but that's where this then comes in, and it has a couple of bolts there that can be put through these holes, and I'll go ahead and assemble that and show you in just a moment. Okay, so you can see that I put the iPhone mount in there, and on the front side there are a couple of wheel nuts that are holding it on. You can put on these little rubber pieces to protect those threads and make it look a little bit better. And so notice that there's this piece of carbon fiber plate right there, and the reason why hdhat uses that is because it's very light and strong. And so Mark Passerby is the owner of hdhat.com, and he uses carbon fiber there because it's light, it's strong, it works really well. And so the next step then is to insert the phone right into the smart device holder. Okay, so there's the iPhone 5 case. sitting there, and obviously it should not be on the phone if we're going to put it into this case. And so here we go, right into the universal mount. And here we are, inside of the universal mount, right there. And I don't have anything but the office lights on right now. And but there are, lighting adjustments that could be made. Maybe we want a little bit different color temperature, or maybe this is pretty good. So anyway, there you have it. It's a pretty cool device, very useful, very quick. And now I'm going to try to edit all these videos together and see what happens. Okay, so I was able to edit all the videos together. I used iMovie for the iPhone 5, and it was very quick, very easy. And so it's really the quickest video and video editing I've ever done. And I've been playing around with video collection and editing for a long time. This is, I think, it's really the best solution I've ever seen. So I'm sold. Love it. Probably going to use it all of the time, and I think you should too.